guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. So you might have seen me making videos usually related to beauty, but today's video is gonna be a bit different because it's on the topic of productivity. Yes guys, this is something that we all struggle with, and especially in these times of corona when we are surrounded by negativity and also we have to work from home. We are absolutely lazy and procrastinating things comes naturally to us. So for these times I thought of making a video which some of you requested me to make. By the title of the video you already know what I'm talking about. So we're going to be discussing today on how to stay productive at home, especially during this quarantine or corona times. Yes guys, let's admit it has been really difficult for the past few months when we were working from home to actually stay productive and use our time productively. Though my job has anyways been about working from home, but I have been listening to so many people who are finding it difficult to work from home, and hence I thought of sharing my tips and tricks that I use for staying productive while I'm working from home. And these tips and tricks are not only for the quarantine or corona times basically, but they are also for your general life, which will help you in the longer run. So yes guys, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. And the first and the foremost tip is gonna be to make a to-do list. Guys, I cannot emphasize enough on how much a to-do list helps in increasing your productivity levels. 2 years back I did not used to make to-do list, but since the time that I've started making a to-do list, there's no going back. I make it a point to make my to-do list for each and every day, and I do this before going to bed. So every night before going to bed, I make sure to prepare my to do list for the next day. So this way, when I wake up the next day, I don't have to waste any time in thinking what all has to be done. I have my task list in front of me, which guides me for the day and helps me being more productive. You can also choose to prepare this one the first thing in the morning as per your convenience. It's just that I prefer making it a day before, but you need to make sure that you have a to-do list before you begin your day. Moving on to the next tip, that is having a proper workspace or workstation to sit down and work at. So it happens the most of the time that when we are working from home, we tend to work at the comfort of our bed, which in returns makes us more drowsy and lazy. Instead of this, we should have a workstation assigned for our work particularly, where we have all our work related items, which basically gives us a office vibe and create a work environment for us, which will ultimately help you increase your productivity. And the next productivity hack that we have here is a bit offbeat and off track, but it is going to help you in many ways, and that is exercising or working out once in a day. As we all know, exercising and working out has different benefits for our mental and physical health, and we all know about it. But apart from that, it also helps us increase our productivity. It basically brings us out of our comfort zone and gives our body a quick push and makes us ready for work. Just remember not to overdo it. Working at least half an hour a day would just do the trick. The next productivity hack that I'm gonna give you is that you need to figure out one such time frame or time period when you feel the most productive. So by time frame or time period, I mean it could be the morning time. Say for example, 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, or any time period. It could be night, it could be evening, it could be afternoon. You just need to find out that one time period where you are feeling extremely productive and make the maximum out of that time period. Like for me, it is usually the night time when most of us are asleep, and then is the time when I actually start working. So I usually prefer working after 12 o'clock, and hence I fit all of my routine according to that, so that I can work the most out of that time period and be the maximum productive. So you can definitely find one time frame or time period where you are the most productive and you can make the maximum out of it. Last but definitely one of the most important hack is gonna be to take breaks. Yes, guys, you heard it right. While trying to be efficient and productive, what we do is that we work continuously without taking any breaks for ourselves, and hence it ultimately exhausts us out completely, which leads us to shorter span of work, which is not ultimately our goal. So rather working for longer durations like 4 to 5 hours straight, I would definitely suggest you to take small breaks within every 1 to 2 hours, where you can just take a water break or move around or have your lunch or anything. There should be a break where you relax your eyes, relax your mind, and then get back to work with a fresh mind. This will keep you fresh and help you achieve longer working hours easily. So guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope that these productivity tips and hacks were actually helpful to you and you make the most out of them. Since this was my first time at such video, I would really appreciate your honest feedback. Do let me know in the comments down below if you liked this video, and if you would want me to make more such video, I would be happy to do that for you. If you liked this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That would really mean a lot to me. And don't forget to press that bell icon near the subscribe button so that you do not miss any new videos from me. You can also connect with me on my social media handles, where I share my daily life with you guys, along with sharing more beauty and productivity hacks with you. Link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. You can also follow me on my Instagram ID mentioned over here. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.